Once upon a time, there was a mother hen living on a farm with her little chicks. One day, a sly fox spotted the chicks and planned to catch them. When the mother hen noticed, she quickly hid her chicks under her wings. As the fox got closer, the mother hen called for her animal friends for help. The hamster, rabbit, and duck all came running to assist. The fox tried to sneak in, but the friends worked together to create a ruckus. The rabbit hopped around, the hamster scurried back and forth, and the duck quacked loudly. Hearing the commotion, the fox became confused and frightened. Eventually, it decided to flee, leaving the chicks safe. Once the danger had passed, the mother hen thanked all her friends for their help. From that day on, they all learned that unity and helping one another kept them safe and brought joy to their farm.